Good morning, YouTube. John here from Home Inspection Authority on a roof right now. As you can see behind me, this roof is pretty worn out. It's a real roofing material. This is like a 1920s structure in Los Angeles. And yeah, it's pretty worn out. Let's take a closer look at it, show what I'm talking about. So right here, there's no granules left in these areas. Let me see all the way around here. You see the fiberglass in the material below there. So yeah, this roof's been here for quite some time and it's time to replace it. As you can see, we got an open void right here. So that's just a cracked, damaged material as well. This material is very brittle. As you can see, I can start to just disintegrate it in my hands by rubbing it together. It's just an old material. Somebody was having a cup of tea up here, it looks like, but they forgot their saucer. Anyway, we got a vent pipe here that was added to the house, and they didn't put a flashing around it, so there's an open void all the way around the bottom here. That's wide open going into the building. Flashings, people always mess up on flashings. These ones need to be resealed. This roof has not had any maintenance done on it in quite a while. You can see by looking at all that patching. That's very old patching. And here they installed a flashing the wrong way. So yeah, they just stuck it on the roof and patched it. That's not how you do it. It's not how you do it. So another reason to get a roofing professional out here and get a quote to replace this whole roof. Replacing the whole roof will, by the qualified person, will take care of all these little issues at the same time. Another vent pipe here. And yeah, there's no flashing. This is a common vent pipe termination point on a house this old, 1920s. They literally vent right through the parapet wall, which is what this area is called. So yeah, it's all wide open. You want to get that fixed as well. A lot of patching around the scupper areas right here. This is the drainage for the roof, and these oftentimes wear out faster because most of the time the roof is not cleared and there's a lot of leaf debris here, and the water just sits and it deteriorates the materials. A lot of patching on the corners. And over here, this is an open seam right here. That's not good. The roof needs to be sealed everywhere. Now let's talk about the clay tiles. Actually, no, these may be concrete tiles. These ones here are clay. Hang on, I got a helicopter coming in, so. A little noisy for a second. Someone's always trying to mess up my video. Okay, let's let that helicopter pass. All right, that's not bad. All right, back to the roof. So you can see on that outer edge there, you got broken tiles, cracked. These are very old tiles. Look at the discoloration on the materials. These have been here for quite a while. And we have more broken tiles here, as you can see. And then right down there is a big gaping hole in one of them. And that's my work van down there. So if you see that van, you know that's me. And going over here, this was an addition. And you can see this roof looks much better than this roof. So let's take a look at this roof. A lot of good pitch everywhere, so a lot of good drainage. But this roof's already had its share of patching as well. You can see right down this corner, right down here where the drains are. a lot of patching. Starting to see some rippling here on this roof too. So some of the areas did not get torched down properly and they're lifting. So it's starting to show, you know, the poor quality of installation. And, you know, could be the age of the roof too, starting to get older. But the granules look great. Granules look good. Then you got a patio roof right here, which seems to be okay. It looks like they even flashed it properly. That's good. So, just another roof inspection for you. Wanted to walk you through and show you what I'm looking for and to know when it's time to replace. Yeah, look at this. This is really bad right here. Yeah, really bad. Okay, so another tip for you: when you're looking to get roof repair done, do not call a handyman. You'll get what you pay for. Always get a qualified roofing professional in. Get multiple ones, get multiple quotes. Just don't skimp on your roof. Remember, it keeps everything in your house dry. Keep that in mind when you're shopping around looking for the lowest bidder. Don't look for the lowest bidder. That was a joke. But anyway, signing off. Till the next time, please subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful, informational, educational. And please leave some comments. If you get questions, I'll be more than happy to try to answer them for you. Take care. See you later.